Hello everyone, the next set of videos is going to be tutorials on exactly how to use our application. So for obvious reasons, the first thing we need to do is create an account, and therefore we need to sign up. So click the sign up button. Upon doing so, you're presented with the user license agreement. If you scroll further down, you'll be presented with our privacy policy as well as further terms and conditions. We want to be very transparent on exactly how and why we recording certain information, so please definitely read carefully, and if you're not happy with anything, simply uninstall the application. However, should you try to continue without agreeing, you'll get a nice message telling you if you're not happy, please close and uninstall the application. Should you wish to continue, you'd have to agree and press continue. Upon doing so, we have to enter our name, which is required, our surname, which is also required, an email address, which is also required. You will receive a email to verify your email address. Also, there is error checking on basically everything, so if you make a mistake, the system will tell you exactly what's wrong with it. As well, on top you can see it's marked it as an error. So let's fix our email address, and the next thing is we continue. We have to put in our email address without the 0, and this is required. So we click done, and for this I'll just put in my password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. So for obvious reasons I've made a mistake, just to show you that like your passwords do actually have to match. And now we have to verify that this telephone number actually belongs to us, so we click verify, and you will receive a verification code, as you can see right there, and within a couple of seconds, without really entering it, the application will sign me in and tell me congratulations. So you've just successfully created an account. Next, you'll be presented with our little home screen that introduces you to the family. You've already met Fassernate. Next up we have Chapella. She'll be taking care of all your shopping needs. Next up we have Odera, and she'll be taking care of all your orders. Then we have Booker. He'll be taking care of all your bookings. And next up we have Naughty. Naughty is the keeper of all notifications. And then we have Chitter, who sometimes goes on a banter. And up next we have the keeper of all your records. And second to last we have client services. This is Managera, and she'll be taking care of all your customer needs and make your business grow. And just remember that a happy customer is a returning customer. And then we have Appy in a Snappy. And Appy says, I'm here to set up shop. No mess, no fuss, no messing around. Just get on with it. Click done already. Go buy something or create a business. Either way, stop playing around. So that's it. We've successfully created our account and we've signed into the application. So for the next tutorial, we're going to take you through how to set up a business. Thank you for joining us.